There are stories here in Kentucky, spoken without words, told in sounds. Stories of mountain waters on a quest to find peace. A gathering of friends reliving old tales, writing new ones. It's the sound of tradition, patience, and golden treasure. It's stories of flavor, written by the land, composed by masters, and shared by all. It's the sound of spirit. Trumpets hail the opening chapter to legendary tales, told in thunder and applause. Volumes of mystery and wonder, adventure, romance, and bedtime stories. Kentucky, Unbridled Spirit. Visit KentuckyTourism.com.